That's a hiccup. I have a bunch of hiccups. Every time I talk, I get a hiccup. No, and a hiccup. I love hiccups. Hiccups are fun. Tell me that. Okay.